Hello, and welcome back to TechRoots by Roat. Have you ever noticed that some tasks on your computer happen instantly, while others take a bit more time? What if I told you there is a special type of memory that helps your computer work faster? In this video, we are going to understand cache memory, one of the fastest components in a computer. Let's start with the basics. Cache memory is a small, high-speed memory located very close to the CPU. Its main purpose is to store frequently used data and instructions so the CPU can access them quickly. Now you might wonder, why do we need cache memory? The answer is speed. Even though RAM is fast, it is still slower compared to the CPU. So if the CPU had to access RAM every time, it would slow down performance. That's where cache memory comes in. Cache acts like a shortcut. Instead of going to RAM again and again, the CPU first checks cache memory. If the required data is found in cache, it is called a cache hit. If the data is not found, it is called a cache miss, and then the CPU goes to RAM. This process helps reduce delay and improves performance. Now, let's understand this with a simple analogy. Think of cache memory like your pocket. You keep frequently used items like your phone or keys in your pocket instead of your bag. If you need something, you first check your pocket. If it's there, you save time. If not, you go to your bag. Similarly, the CPU first checks cache memory before accessing RAM. Now let's talk about types of cache. There are usually three levels. L1 cache, smallest and fastest, located inside the CPU. L2 cache, slightly larger but a bit slower. L3 cache, larger and shared among cores. The closer the cache is to the CPU, the faster it is. So the memory hierarchy looks like this. Cache to RAM to storage. Cache is the fastest, while storage is the slowest. Now here's the key takeaway. Cache memory significantly improves system performance by reducing the time needed to access data. To summarize, cache memory is a small and fast memory that stores frequently used data, helping the CPU work faster and more efficiently. If you found this helpful, subscribe to TechRoots by Roat and continue your learning journey.